works and my own vision with my own efforts and determination. I am repeating that I am like totally committed for my ventures, yeah, and my work commitments. So here we will talk about the theme of protection. When a person feels insecure, what is the solution? Solution is to protect yourself. Hence, I protected myself after that incident. After 15, I just focused all my energies on protecting myself. I felt so insecure. Yeah. So we will talk what is protection here. Okay. Protection is an action of defense. Protection is an action of defense or interference in some event. It is an interference in some event or your own stand to save your outlook from any harm or destruction. Yeah, we create boundaries and walls. We create boundaries and walls. To do that, we defend ourselves, our zone, our domains. Yeah, we create body language to do that. The non-verbal communication, the body language to do that. Yeah. Then we choose words to do that. We choose selective words to defend ourselves from harm. Then we create group for our protection. We live in certain kind of group that aligned with your thought process and like emotions. Yeah. So on and so forth. These are just some points to name. Yeah. Protection. Same pattern of my videos. Interpretation, then the whys and the points. Yeah. Next I will come to the point of how protection can be taken or given. Okay, we have to protect ourselves from destructions or any kind of harm or evil eye. But how can we do that? Yeah, it is like supervision on your loved ones or tracking your progress. First point is that I follow this. To protect yourself and your loved ones, we keep a check on our own growth and other activities to track our progress and their progress too. We keep a check on our loved ones. We protect them in an indirect way. Yeah. Second point, provide support, backing, protection of your stand. To display respect towards your stand, we get support from like-minded people and social backing as well. I mean to say, you understand your journey and you communicate and connect with the people who understand your journey. Then you get support, a social support, backing support from their side. That too very willingly and very positively. This is also a form of protection. I am very fortunate to get that kind of support. I have always got that kind of support that is just a call away or a message away from me. Yeah. Next is value your journey and future plans. This is also a part of protecting yourself, giving yourself protection. Yeah. Learn to put value in your own journey by staying confident and looking forward to future directions and plans with positivity and enthusiasm. Focus on the positive part of life and stay committed. You have to be committed. Only then you can value your plans. If you will value your plan, you will value your plans. Others will value your plans. Everything starts with you, darlings. Yeah. Next point. We'll come to the next point now. You know, serious things can be dealt with constructive outlook, constructive strategies, constructive plans, and progressive ones. I don't like to get stuck on the incident that made me who I am. I am taking it as an inspiration. Though I have aggression, still I have aggression, and that is a social issue. But I am focusing on positivity, progress, future plans, and educating people. Because I am being vocal about it, there are many people who are not vocal about it, or just suffering silently, or just are not able to do anything, or maybe are not doing anything. It's your call. See my call. This is my call, and I'm very proud of myself. Being a female, if I could do that, then anyone can do that. Anyone can do that. Yeah. Why you should have protection? Now we'll come at the why tangent. Yeah, it is safeguarding yourself from politics, evil eye, or any kind of harm. You have to save yourself. Yeah. When you protect yourself by staying aware, alert, and vigilant, you are safeguarded by destructive politics or anyone's evil eye that is intended to harm your outlook. You can safeguard yourself by protecting yourself. As simple as that. Protect yourself. Don't expect others to protect you, or just create expectations. Oh, he is doing that to me. He is doing that to me. She is doing that to me. Oh my God, what should I do? I am so good. Still it is happening to me. Why are you allowing it? Protect yourself. As simple as that. Yeah. Create boundaries. Strong boundaries. Yeah. Next. Consistency. Next point is consistency in your work and family life. Your work life and your family life is very, very important part of your life. Yeah. So the breakdowns that come because of such elements, which I have experienced, I'm sure everyone might have experienced. It's just I am very expressive and communicative about things because I don't like such kind of things, and I stand up for myself. I stand up, I speak up for myself. Yeah. So consistency in your work and family life. The breakdowns are minimized through your stand, and you can work consistently towards your personal, professional, and social goals. You minimize the possibility of breakdowns by being alert and vigilant of such elements. No offense to anybody. It's my personal experience that has made me who I am right now, or at this point of time. I may be wrong, but I am a person who goes by her own experiences rather than others' talks or opinions or judgments or analysis, which is like far from reality of mine. So I go by my experience since 16, 17 of age. So it's very important that I communicate how I lead my life, so that it can help you people in some ways. I don't know what ways. Maybe you can filter some points. Maybe you can take a stand. Maybe you can take a call. Maybe you can understand what can be done in future. I don't know. Yeah. Next, what are the problems which are solved by protection? There has to be some problems to be solved, like we discuss in our videos always. Right? Yeah, there are problems which are solved by such stand. Let's discuss that. It's dissolution of fear. Most important. Such elements try to attack you psychologically to make you fearful and afraid and to dominate you. So such kind of outlook dissolves fear and converts it into faith and confidence so that you can believe in your abilities and protect yourself on your own. Yeah, the process is interesting, very creative. Yeah. Next point is confidence. With such kind of stand and action, you believe in your own abilities and power to tackle such things. You have the ability to stand up for yourself, to speak up for yourself, to counsel others, to lead your life. Yeah. Next point. Better productivity at all levels. When you are rock solid, robust, you will always perform better in all the areas of life. Nothing, no destructive element, no distraction, no obstacle can stop you.